Have you wondered how ancient wisdom can give modern wellness? Welcome to the world of Ayurveda, the 5000 years old science of life that more relevant today than ever before. Ayurveda is a Sanskrit word. Ayur means life and Veda means knowledge or science. So Ayurveda literally translates to the science of life. It originated in India over 5000 years ago as a holistic and scientific healing system, aiming not just to cure diseases but to prevent it by aligning our body, mind, and spirit with nature. At its core, Ayurveda is based on the five elements earth, water, fire, and air, and ether that form everything in the universe, including our bodies. These elements combine into three fundamental energies called doshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata is basically a combination of air and ether. Pitta is up by fire and water. Kapha is by earth and water. Everyone has a unique mix of these, which defines your body type and personality. Ayurveda also recognizes seven dhatus or bodily tissues from plasma to reproductive tissue that support life and health. Ayurveda is not just about treating symptoms, it's about discovering your prakriti, your natural constitution, and living in balance with it. Health is defined as a dynamic equilibrium of body, mind, sense, and soul. Prevention is key by maintaining balance through food, habits, and lifestyle. Daily routines like walking with the sun, eating seasonal foods, practicing yoga and meditation all are part of Ayurvedic living. Herbs like ashwagandha, turmeric, and triphala are used to detox, rejuvenate, and boost immunity. Food is the medicine chosen according to your dosha. In today's fast paced world, Ayurveda offers a timeless path to wellness, from stress relief to personalized nutrition. It's finding its place in integrative medicine and global wellness practices. Ayurveda remains as healing starts with knowing ourselves. If this resonated with you, like the video, subscribe for more, and comment your prakriti and also dosha below. Let's explore Ayurveda together.